The boys are gonna be up for a rude awakening this weekend. Ain't that right? Lee's is coming up. Ain't that right, Brian? What up, YouTube? Thank you for tuning back into the channel. You have reached Tesla Pickup. Thank you for tuning in. If this is your first time tuning into the channel, I'm a part-time reseller. I go to thrift stores, estate sales, yard sales, anything you can do to pick up product for low. I try to sell it for a little bit higher on eBay, Etsy, all the other platforms, you know, just to make a little profit. You understand what I'm saying? And if you like stuff like that, subscribe. Straight up, you understand? I bought some more stuff. Now, if you watch my last couple of videos, you probably like, man, you buying up crazy stuff. What's going on? Well, there's a reason for that. Christmas is coming. I'm trying to stock up for that. I got a number of days off, and I said I was gonna buy a bunch of stuff and just go on this list, crazy friends, just list, which I'm about to start doing next week. And I think I'm done. I think I'm done for the year. We'll see. I always say that, and then something pops up. You know how it is. If you've ever shopped on Hybrid, you know you can get a lot of good stuff on there. And I got something actually in Indiana across the bridge, but it's about an hour away, so I got it shipped to me. And then I got some stuff, what you seen in my past videos from over in Indiana. I went and got that. And I just got some stuff today, which, just let me show you that footage right here. Hey, how y'all doing?
Pretty good, you sir?
Doing great.
We're picking these out. You are. Help out with that?
All right,
How's it going?
Hey, David.
You doing all right?
Yeah, sir. How about yourself? Continue for a while.
I'm just trying to stay out of trouble, man, you know. Stay out of the way. Working and taking care of the kids.
You never know if you're going to do the right thing if you leave your house.
Right,
Ain't that right?
All this stuff going on, holidays coming, somebody's trying to do something.
Crazy, man.
I don't know, you can't leave your house anymore. A 4-year-old girl got shot.
Really? Oh yeah, I did hear about that. Yeah, that's crazy, man.
I get so mad I want to throw my phone over to my sis.
You. And I'm like, how stuff like that happen?
5888, man.
Alright.
It hurts me when they kill them because I really get mad. Kids don't have a shot in life.
No.
That's what aggravates me.
Yeah, they innocent. That's what I mean, I got a 17 and a 17-year-old, and I worry for them all the time. Yeah, this is going on my bar right here. I'm a Cowboys fan.
I'm sorry.
I know, tell me about it. All I can do is look at stuff because they can't play worth nothing.
Well, they really got a good team, actually. I don't like Prescott, don't get me wrong. I don't think he's a real great quarterback.
Right.
The problem is you don't have a coach that can control the owner.
There you go. As long as you have the owner, it's not nothing's gonna happen no matter what. No matter what. I appreciate it.
Man, I'm an old Tom Landry guy myself.
Oh really? Yeah. I mean, if you could bring him back, that'd be
Well,
great.
I don't think they could. Landry couldn't control.
You don't think?
No. You got to make him feel like he's making all the decisions when he's not. And you got to coach Jimmy Johnson to do that.
And then we got a son right after he decides he wants to retire, I'm sure. And
Thank you.
take it easy. Yeah. So I got that stuff today. It's right up the street. It's a local auction that I used to go to before they even got on Hybrid. They used to have it every Friday, but due to the pandemic, they start putting everything online. So it's great because you can see the stuff, you can kind of look it up and all that. So I actually like it better like that. But without further ado, let me show you what I got. I got this banana seat, Swin banana seat. It's a 70s, I believe 60s, 70s model. I got this for $8.50. I looked some up there all over the place. This right here I probably put on the auction. A lot of people like to do auctions on these and sell them because you just never know what the price them at. There's a couple on there. I seen them go up to, now this is not the glitter one that does pretty good, but these can actually do pretty good. It's in okay shape. Has a little nick right there. But we'll see. All this, I forgot to say, is vintage stuff. I got a bunch of stuff and it's all old. That's kind of been my niche here lately. Got these riding pants. These are actually like horse riding pants. They actually have a tag in them to say Meyer, Lexington, Kentucky. And of course, you know, I'm in Kentucky, so horse riding and horses period are real big here. So yeah, these is in great condition. I mean, these look like they was made last week, but these are like maybe 40s, 30s. I just dropped something. Button fell off.
Bruh.
Try to do some research and I seen something like them, but I just never know. I mean, you riding people, y'all probably can tell me better than I can. but these should do pretty good. I bought these for $8 as well. Before I keep going, my whole thing on auctions is sometimes I try to buy one thing that would pay for my whole lot.
Yes, sir.
And I believe I have a couple things here that will pay for my whole lot, like this. This is the next thing that I bought. Bought this phone. I believe it's a 60s model. Rotary, how you say it? Rotary phone.
Bruh.
Whoa. And I paid up for this. I actually paid $20 for this. But I see them going for upwards of $100 depending on the condition. This one's on fair condition. I can wipe it up and make it look a little better. We'll see. It's pink. You know, the pink, the reds, the greens, the crazy color phones always do pretty good. And we'll see. I'll probably list this at maybe $100 depending. I've been doing good on auctions lately. I might start this on the auction and see what happens. It depends on what the comps say. So yeah, I got that. Got this. And then this is a personal buy. It's a Dallas Cowboy pig.
How about them Cowboys?
Look at that. How about them Cowboys? But anyway, I'm looking at my kids now. What are y'all doing? Chill. Chill.
Bruh.
Anyway. So yeah, I got this. And this is gonna be sitting on my bar. I only paid $5 for this. I was the only bid, probably because don't nobody like the Cowboys right now. Got another vintage package. This right here came from High Bid as well. Over in Indiana. Like I said, it's about an hour away. Let's open it up. Now, what I will say about this, I ordered this on October 31st and it just came in yesterday. And they're only an hour away. They said they was gonna ship it the next day. I emailed her, she said, oh, it's been shipped, you should receive it tomorrow. I look at it, look what it says. I can't show you, my address is on there. I look at it, and it says priority, 1 day.
Bruh.
I mean, she just mailed it that day. Then she told me that I'll receive it tomorrow. Come on now, you can't be like that. Get your stuff out, your business, you understand what I'm saying? Anyway, hopefully the stuff in here will make up for that. All right, this lot was a vintage lot. There was a lot of good stuff. I could have got a lot, but I didn't. I kept my cool, and a lot of brand new stuff. I should have got more. Anyway, I didn't get more.
Nope.
First thing we got are some vintage. Look at these, y'all. Oshkosh Bigosh overalls for man, size 44, I believe. Size 40, 32. Vintage, brand new stuff does great. Do I have a receipt on here? Anyway, vintage, brand new stuff does good. I'm trying to think what I paid for these. All right, I was trying to look up how much I paid for this stuff. Paid up for these, I paid $22. I say paid up, but these right here, I put some comps on the screen. Brand new like this, sky's the limit. I have to look and see exactly which ones I had, but I seen these go between $100 and $200. It just depends. So yeah, this should be one of those things. Like I said, it should pay for the whole lot. I paid up for this lot. I paid about $200 for this lot. So
Bruh.
hopefully it works out. I told you I'm trying to scale up a little bit and buy stuff a little bit more high price, only because of my job situation. I'm working a lot more hours. I'm working like 52 hours a week, and pilly-palling with the little things, you know, $20, $15 things shipping out, it takes a lot of time. But yeah, so I got them. Got this jersey. Great jersey. It's a old vintage Indianapolis Indians, I believe. Number 45 on the back. I mean, show you the kind of the great quality. It's old Wilson, size 48. And yeah, it's not a lot of these out here. Sky's the limit on this. I'll try to find some comps. This actually looks pretty good. I'm looking at this and seeing this the same time y'all have. It's nice and heavy. It's a great jersey. Look at that. All your vintage people out there, Jersey, hit me up if you got any information. But so I got that. That should do pretty good. I paid up for this as well. I think I paid about $30 for this. Look at this right here. Mad Ants. Jersey. Lazar. And it's Adidas. It's a size 2XL2. These Mad X jerseys, I look them up. I didn't find this exact ones, but the Mad X jerseys just by itself with no name, no number does very good. And I paid, how much I paid for this? I only paid $8 for this. And I think I'm gonna do very good on this. Another jersey, vintage. Reds jersey. Old school, number 28. I don't know why it says Cincinnati Reds jersey, probably because I had the patch right there. But it's a Charleston Willis jersey. I'm ugly. I don't know nothing about baseball. I'm a football, basketball guy. I don't know nothing, do I?
Nothing. You don't know baseball. And you don't kind of don't know soccer.
Y'all hating, I know. I was just trying to, y'all hating.
No, you hating.
Game worn jersey too, man. This is, it's hard to find comps. The only comp I found was the one on the screen. But I think this one might be a little bit more. Hey, I can't get my thoughts together. I think this might be a little bit. I think this might be worth a little bit more than that. Dang, I got it out. Y'all happy now? It's a Wilson as well. I hope y'all can see this. Let me scoot back a little bit. Scoot back a little bit. Like I'm too close. Look at the other ones, because y'all probably couldn't see them either. Mad Ants. And Indianapolis. And I got one more to show you. It's old vintage slot. Everything's vintage. And then this one right here is nice. This is the old Indians jersey as well. Peep that. This is a Wheeler. And this right here is gonna be my money. Money. All these is gonna bring some money, but this one right here. I mean, let's look at the quality, the patching quality. I mean, it's crazy. Back in the day, they used to take their time and make stuff. Today, it's put together out quick. It's a Rollins. Show you a couple of the patches. So yeah, I ended up paying for this one. This I paid the most for. I bid up, the bid was going, y'all. I bid up to $37 on him. I'll show you that right there. Look at that. I mean, the jersey and stuff back in the day used to be very nice and interesting, and they went outside the box. Everything's plain Jane now. I love the outside the box. So yeah, that's my haul. Anyway, I should do pretty good with this stuff. Remember, I sell shirts. Go to KuluSocks.com if you want a Tesla Picker shirt. I got some socks coming soon. I'll probably show y'all that next video. Just thought I'd throw it out there. I usually don't promote my stuff like that, but like, comment, subscribe. Y'all be good. Peace.